Hello friends, today I will tell you about the NAVA model. You see the NAVA model behind me. This model offers you 3 different pattern creation options. There are 60 modules in the box. Of these 60 modules, 20 are packed as polygon, 20 is flat, 20 is pyramid, and as in other models, the bases are in the box. Before starting the assembly, we draw a straight line on the wall with the scale. Then we measure the wall. For example, we measured the wall 3 meters 10 centimeters. This product is an equilateral triangle with a side length of 20 centimeters, 3 meters 10 centimeters wall, 15 pieces fit side by side, and the length is 3 meters, leaving a margin of 10 centimeters. You can fill the gaps left by cutting our products, but we do not recommend this. Instead of cutting, we leave a gap of 5 centimeters on both sides and start our assembly. In this model, there are 2 different numbers on the base materials, number 1 and number 2. First, we apply our siliconized sealant to the back surface of the material, especially indoors, to certain points and corners with the help of siliconized sealant, not silicon.
Bakın silikon değil, silikonize mastik yardımıyla simülasyon olarak gösteriyorum. Belli başlı noktalarında, köşelerine şu şekilde.
After tightening, we stick our material on our wall, which we drew with a scale before. If we have pasted the number 1 module, the module that will come under the number 1 module is number 2. There are interlocking slots on the edges of the mats like a jigsaw puzzle. There is a mounting system that does not allow you to make any mistakes. The thing you need to pay attention to when placing the coasters on the wall is that the number 1 comes next to the number 1. Under the number 1 coasters, the number 2 coasters come. Under the number 2, the number 1 comes again. With this system, place the coasters on your wall. There are pins, as you can see on the pad materials. We will complete our assembly by passing the upper materials to these pins. When we put the base material on the wall, remove the insert module by hand, which will remain outside before sticking the last ones on the right and left. When the assembly is finished, I recommend it to you so that the plug-in module does not remain outside and create an ugly image. After removing the plug-in module, stick it with the flat part facing out. Now I will show you how to place the toppings. As I mentioned, there are 3 different patterns in the parcel as flat material, pyramid material, and polygon, and there are 20 of each. This makes 1 square meter. There are slots in our materials that will come on top. There are also snap pins on the base mounts. We pass these slots to these pins. It is entirely up to you to make the pattern you want here. It has endless desing ideas. Yes, one of the questions is about how to close the edge endpoints. You can make the edge ends by cutting the product. If you have a tool such as an angle grinder or a horizontal saw, you can cut our products. The products are cuttable products. But you can paint the gaps at the edge ends, which we usually recommend, in the same color as the product or in a color according to your taste. We think that you can achieve a very nice and stylish look in this way.
Bu şekilde de gayet güzel, şık bir görüntüye ulaşabileceğinizi düşünüyoruz.